Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with these Capricorn nails, and they are part of my horoscope series, and I have one more mani left after this, and then I've painted the whole zodiacs. So using the same website that I've been using throughout this challenge, I found that the best colours for Capricorns are dark brown, charcoal grey and black. So here's what I came up with, and I hope you enjoy. So starting off with my index and pinky fingers, I painted them black, and this is one coat black from Holo Taco. And then I used my Moyu London Zodiac 12 plate and an awesome sauce from Super Chic Lacquer, the gorgeous brown holo, and stamped the scallop pattern on the mermaid's tail. And then I stamped that straight onto my nail, and I was so impressed that you could see the brown holo over the black. Next I painted my middle and ring fingers with 2 coats of chai from Barry M, and it's a nice dark grey. And then back with the same stamping plate, and I stamped the little Capricorn in black. And then leaving him on the stamper, I filled in his body with a medium brown polish. And I know the colours for this challenge were dark brown, but I needed a little bit of something lighter so you'll be able to see the Capricorn's face a little bit more. So I went for the medium brown. And I just filled that in with the dotting tool, leaving it on the stamper. Then I left that aside to dry, and meanwhile I stamped the cool design with the Capricorn star sign in the middle, and it totally gave me Black Panther vibes. Like, it looked like the poster, the little pattern around them. And then with the same medium brown polish, I filled in the inner circle, and then I filled in the rest with awesome sauce, the same brown holo as before. And I absolutely love this brown holo so much. I was so glad I got to use it for this design. And leaving that aside to dry, I applied a layer of sticky base coat to my middle and ring finger. And once that had gone tacky and the decals were somewhat dry, I stamped them on my nails. And the Capricorn went on my ring finger, and the star sign went on my middle finger. And I finished off this design with a layer of smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, my Capricorn nails, and I'm so happy with the way these came out. And I definitely think they're one of my favourite manis I've painted for this horoscope series. If you haven't seen the rest of the designs, then I will leave links for comparison. Go check them out if you want. And if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe. Subscribe would be good. And leave a comment below and tell me what you think of these nails. Are you a Capricorn? Do you wish that chocolate bars looked like awesome sauce? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!